Hello students, today we are going to solve 17th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as an isolated three-phase traffic signal is designed by Webster's method. The critical flow ratios for three phases are 0.20, 0.30 and 0.25 respectively, and loss time per phase is 4 seconds. Now the optimum cycle length in second is, the sum of flow will be equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3. Now we have the value of y1 equals to 0.20, we have the value of y2 equals to 0.30 and we have the value of y3 equals to 0.25. On adding this, we will have the value of y equals to 0.75. That will be the value of y. Now total loss time in a cycle, that is capital L, will be equals to 4 into 3, that will be equals to 12 seconds. Now we have to calculate the value of optimum cycle length. It will be equals to C0, that will be equals to 1.5 L plus 5 upon 1 minus y. Now we have the value of L, which will be equals to 12 plus 5 upon 1 minus 0.75. After solving this, we will have the optimum cycle length equals to 92 seconds. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.